Hi, good morning, Land of Oz. Today we're going to be making some bubble snakes using things that you can find around the house. So parents, we need plastic bottles, whatever you have, like any water bottles. And you're going to cut these water bottles in half. So parents, I need you to do this part. You're going to cut the bottle in half. Make sure that the bottles are clean and rinsed and sanitized before the kids use it, because they're going to be putting their mouths on the drinking part. So you're going to need an old sock, either a hair tie or a headband, or some rubber bands. These are the only ones I had. So we're going to take the sock. We're also going to need the most important part, water and dish soap mixed together. So whatever dish soap you have, you can use. It doesn't matter. And you're gonna mix that together, and then you have your bubble solution. You're gonna take your sock and put it over the water bottle. Now you may not need a rubber band, but if you feel like it needs to be more secure so it won't fall off, then yeah, you can go ahead and put that on there. And I put my little hair tie on mine. And this is what it's supposed to look like. The kids are gonna put their mouth on this part, so you wanna make sure that this is very clean. You're gonna take your bubble water, your bubble solution. You're gonna take your little bubble blower and dip it into the bubble mix. Make sure it's very saturated. And then the kids get to have fun basically after that. You just go. And they can do this outside. They can play on their patio if you have a patio, or if you have a balcony that's secure, they could play on there. You could do this in the backyard or wherever you feel like you want your kids want to go play. It's very fun. Kids will love it. I know they love bubbles, so this is something easy that you guys can do at home. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please leave a comment if you like more, and thank you. Bye.